Hello, am I audible? Hello, hello. Yes, class, just let me know that I am audible to all of you or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. बाकी बच्चे कहाँ हैं सारे?
आ रहे हैं मैम, आ रहे हैं।
ठीक। असाइनमेंट कर ली सब लोगों ने? असाइनमेंट कर ली? This class, am I audible to all of you or not? You are not responding in the class. What happened? Nobody saying yes or no, you have done or what? Hello? Hello? Class, just let me know, then only we will start that I am audible to all of you or not. Okay, I am waiting for you to respond.
Mom, you are audible.
Thank God. पहले क्यों नहीं बोल रहे थे? चलिए. Now we are about to complete our 6th unit. Now the next, उस दिन हमने piezoelectric transducer complete कर लिया था ना? Now today we will do shaft encoders. Now just let me know that if the screen is visible to you. Shaft encoders. Is the PDF visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now shaft encoders are digital transducers that are used for measuring angular displacements and angular velocities. Encoder types. Shaft encoders can be classified into two categories depending on the nature and the method of interpretation of the transducer output. First is incremental encoders. Second is absolute encoders. Now, what are incremental encoders? The output of an incremental encoder is a pulse signal which is generated when the transducer disk rotates as a result of the motion that is measured. Now, by counting the pulses or by timing the pulse width using a clock signal, both angular and the angular velocity can be determined. With an incremental encoder, displacement is obtained with respect to some reference point, which can be the home position of the moving component. The index pulse count determines the number of full revolution. Just read the incremental decoder and give me the live example of it. All of you, I am giving you 3 minutes. Just go through these lines and give me the live example of incremental decoders. जो भी बताएगा उसको 10 मार्क्स मिलेंगे. यस क्लास, कोई देगा इसका एग्जांपल? यस क्लास, कोई देगा?
मैम रोबोट्स वगैरह में शायद और व्हीकल्स.
ठीक है. और
क्या काम होगा? हम लाइव लाइव टू लाइव में चाहिए आपको कोई ना, और बाकी मैम कन्वर्टिंग में भी हो सकता है ना मैम, उसमें
हाँ बताओ।
कि उसको कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं हम लोग। और मैम मेरे को तो इतना ही भी समझ में आ रहा है, बाकी तो भी।
क्या नाम है आपका? सौरभ।
सौरभ।
आपने वो रोबोटिक्स में वो बनाया था ना कोई प्रोजेक्ट?
यस यस मैम।
और किसी को कुछ नहीं पता? सबके 0 नंबर लगाएंगे। आपकी जितने भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स या इक्विपमेंट्स में कंट्रोल नॉब्स होती हैं, वहां पे भी ये हम यूज करते हैं। आपकी शैफ्ट्स में जो रोटेटिंग शैफ्ट्स होती हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल आपके रडार एंटीनास, उसमें भी हम यूज करते हैं इसको। ट्रैक बॉल में आप यूज करते हैं। सब लोग गेम्स खेलते होंगे तो आप ट्रैक बॉल्स यूज करते होंगे, उसमें उसमें भी
यस
आप ये
मैम।
यूज करते हैं। देखो यूज करते हैं, पर ध्यान नहीं। चलिए, नेक्स्ट इज एब्सोल्यूट। Now all the absolute encoders has many pulse tracks on its transducer disk. When the disk of an absolute encoder rotates, several pulse trains equal in number to the tracks on the disk are generated simultaneously. Now at a given instant, the magnitude of each pulse signal will have one of two signal levels as determined by a level detector. This signal level corresponds to a binary digits. Hence, the set of pulse trains give an encoded binary number at any instant. Now, the windows in a track are not equally spaced but are arranged in a specific pattern to obtain coded output data from the transducer. The pulse windows on the tracks can be organized into some patterns, so that the generated binary number at a particular instance corresponds to the specific angular position of the encoder disk at that time. Now there are 4 techniques of transducer signal generation may be identified by shaft encoders: optical method, sliding contact method, magnetic saturation method, proximity sensor method. Now first is optical method. Now since the light from the source is interrupted by the opaque regions of the track, the output signal from the photosensor is a series of voltage pulses. See, आप सबको पता है what are encoders? What do you understand by the term encoder? अभी ये छोड़ दो, encoder क्या होता है? You all are communication students. What is encoder? Yes class, what is encoder? ऐसे तो अगर आप नहीं बोलोगे तो ऐसे मजा नहीं आएगा पढ़ने में।
बाइनरी कन्वर्टर।
बाइनरी कन्वर्टर और see, in our communication systems, when we have to send some message, firstly at the transmitter and it is encoded. Encoders are used for the encoding. बाइनरी भी है, एक स्पेशलाइज्ड पैटर्न भी होता है। पता नहीं आप लोग आईटीसी पढ़ रहे हैं कि नहीं, हो सकता है नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में आए। इंफॉर्मेशन थ्योरी एंड कोडिंग, उसमें बताते हैं कि व्हाट आर द एनकोडिंग टेक्निक्स वी फॉलो, and at the receiver end the same message is decoded so that we can get the message at the original format. उसी का ही हमारे पास जो पार्ट है, these are the shaft encoder transducer. Now there are various methods in this. First is optical method. Now since the light from the source is interrupted by the opaque regions of the track, the output signal from the photosensor is a series of voltage pulses. Now this signal can be interpreted through edge detection or level detection. to obtain the increments in the angular position and also the angular velocity of the disk. Now sliding contact encoder क्या है? Now in a sliding contact encoder, the transducer disk is made of an electrically insulating material. Circular tracks on the disk are formed by implanting a pattern of conducting areas. You can see here. You can see in this diagram. See, sliding contact brush, conducting metal areas, commutator brush. Now these conducting regions correspond to the transparent windows on an optical encoder disk. Now all conducting areas are connected to a common slip ring on the encoder shaft. Now a constant voltage V reference is applied to the slip ring using a brush mechanism. See, this is the brush. A sliding contact such as brush touches each track, and as the disk rotates, a voltage plus signal is picked off. जैसे जैसे ये रोटेट करेगी वो उठाती जाएगी ये, ठीक है ना? Now pulse pattern depends on the conducting and non-conducting pattern on each track, as well as the nature of rotation of the disk. The signal interpretation is done as it is for optical encoders. Advantages क्या है? High sensitivity and simplicity of construction. Disadvantages क्या है? Drawbacks of contacting and commutating devices, example friction, wear, brush, bounce due to vibration, and signal glitches and metal oxidation due to electrical RC. A transducer accuracy is very much dependent on the precision of the conducting pattern of the encoder disk. Next method is magnetic saturation method. Now a magnetic encoder has high strength magnetic regions imprinted on the encoder disk using techniques such as etching, stamping, or recording. These magnetic regions correspond to the transparent windows on an optical encoder disk. Now the signal pick-off device is a micro transformer which has primary and secondary windings on a circular ferromagnetic core. Now this pick-off sensor resembles a core storage element in an historical mainframe computer. A high frequency primary voltage induces a voltage in the secondary windings of the sensing element at the same frequency, operating as a transformer. Now a magnetic field of sufficient strength can saturate the core, however, thereby significantly increasing the reluctance and dropping the induced voltage. By demodulating the included voltage, a pulse signal is obtained. Advantage क्या है? Non-conductive pick-off sensors. Disadvantage क्या है? More costly than the contacting device. However, primarily because of the cost of the transformer elements and the demodulating circuitry for generating the output signal. Next is proximity sensor method. A proximity sensor encoder uses a proximity sensor as the signal pick-off element. For example, a magnetic induction probe or an eddy current probe. In the magnetic induction probe, for example, the disk is made up of ferromagnetic material. The encoder tracks have raised spots of the same material. As the raised spot approaches the probe, the flux linkages increases due to the associated decrease in reluctance. This raises the induced voltage level. The output voltage is a pulse modulated signal, which is then demodulated, and the resulting pulse signal is interpreted. Now, instead of disk with a track of raised region, a ferromagnetic tooth wheel may be used along with the proximity sensor placed in a radial orientation. In this principle, this device operates like a conventional digital tachometer. If an eddy current probe is used, the pulse areas in the track have to be plated with a conducting material. Now this was your shaft encoders. All of you just write it down and let me know. Then we will do tachometers. फटाफट लिख लीजिए, सारा ही लिखना है.
मैम आप ये पीडीएफ भेज सकते हो?
लिख लो, सारी पीडीएफ काम की नहीं है, क्योंकि उसके आगे भी काफी कुछ है। जहां पे मैंने रोक दिया सिर्फ शैफ्ट एंड कोडर्स ही कराए हैं। उसके बाद है देखो, इसके बाद आपके इंक्रीमेंटल ऑप्टिकल एनकोडर्स हैं। इसके टाइप्स हैं, ये आपके पास है नहीं, ये इतना सारा है नहीं, सिर्फ आपके पास शैफ्ट एंड कोडर्स ही है। तो लिख लो इसको।
हम्म, मैम वो राहुल को इन कर लो।
कर लिया, लिख लिया आपने? थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी लिखो।
मैम ये एनकोडर है या डिकोडर है?
एनकोडर,
उसमें तो लिखा हुआ है एनकोडर, सो
ये
ये
बाय
नीचे लिखा हुआ
मिस्टेक है।
डिकोडर।
नहीं नहीं, एनकोडर्स ही है, इंक्रीमेंटल एनकोडर्स, एब्सोल्यूट एनकोडर्स, बाय मिस्टेक लिखा हुआ है। Has class done?
Yes, ma'am.
Just write
Yes,
the
ma'am.
okay. Just write the 4 methods also, then we have to finish with it. Has class done? Yes, class have you done?
No, ma'am.
थोड़ा fast करो भी fast. Has class done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just write the other two also. थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी लिखो. Magnetic saturation method and proximity sensor method. अब मुझे टेकोमीटर भी कराना था आज. On the meanwhile, all of you attend your attendance. Ashish Shukla. Ashish Shukla is there or not? Anish Ranjan. Am I audible to
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Nidhi.
Ma'am, Ashish Shukla present.
Okay, okay. Nidhi. Nidhi is there. Paras.
Present, ma'am.
Piyush. Piyush Mishra is there. पीयूष मिश्रा आया तो था. प्रभा. प्रद्युमन. राहुल गौर. राजीव कुमार.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Rajiv is there. Rajiv. Ranjan. Ranjan. Ranjan is there. Rishabh Roy.
Yes, ma'am.
Saurav.
Yes, ma'am.
Vijay.
Present, ma'am.
Yash. Yash is there.
Ma'am, present.
Done. हो गया सबका.
No, ma'am.
Done. Then proximity sensor method. Yes, class done. Proximity sensor method.
No, मैम वो ऊपर वाला हो गया है ये आप कर रहे हैं proximity.
Yes, class done. यस क्लास हो गया बेटा आपका. यस क्लास हैव यू डन?
Done, ma'am.
Now tomorrow we will do tachometer. I'll just give you the introduction of this tachometer. Now tachometers तो आपने देखे भी होंगे. You can see this figure. Now a tachometer is a sensor device used to measure the rotation speed of an object, such as an engine shaft in a car, and is usually restricted to mechanical or electrical instruments. Now this device indicates the revolutions per minute performed by the object, RPM. आपके बाइक्स में भी होते हैं, आपकी कार्स में भी होते हैं. कल हम इसको पढ़ेंगे. कल आप सब लोग इसको पढ़ के आएंगे and we will discuss in the class what are tachometers. Clear? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. कल सब लोग इसको पढ़ के आएंगे tachometer को. I will ask the difference what is analog tachometer and what is the difference between the digital tachometers. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you just go through the Google and just Google it और कल सबसे पूछूंगी मैं. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Then we will discuss the working principle applications of this tachometers.